Dear friends, I will explain you how to create a group and how to upload the rubric and how to upload the question paper in the e-learning. As we all know that we need to upload the question paper rubric in the e-learning. I am just going to show the demo. Here, so we go to the e-learning, you go to your course, whatever the course you have, you go to the course, select on that. In the administration you can find the users. In users you have the groups. Click on the group. So you will get this window. You can see the groups for my section. There are three options: create group and auto create group. I'll go with this auto create groups. The system will automatically create the groups for you. Click on auto create groups. So you can specify the names for the groups. There is the options, the number of groups, how many groups you want, or you can click members per group. So it is better we will go with members per group, because already we have given that in each group we should have some 8 members. So I will go with 8 members per group. What is the member count? So just give your 8. Select members with role. So we have all the teachers, non-editing teachers, everyone, but we want only the student to be inside this group. I don't want teacher or non-editing teachers, anyone. So I will select this student. Only the student will be created with the group. Select members from any quadrant. You can go, don't choose any options here. So you can preview what are the groups, how it is created. So preview. You can see group A and group B. So group A members, who are the group A members and who are the group B members. So it is just the list it is showing. If you submit, the group will be created. So I will submit now. So the group is created as group A and group B. So I have totally 16 students. In that, group A is with 8 students and group B is with 8 students. So you can see the list. If you want to add or remove the users, you can add using this add and remove users. But you will not use this one, because already you have created the group with automatically you can create. Even if you want to delete or anything you want to do it, you can do it using this. So it's almost done creating a group here. If you want to view, so for example I want to view or edit group settings, I'll go to the group settings. What is the enrollment method, everything. So this is not needed as of now. I'll cancel. So the group creation is over. You can check now. Now I will tell you how to upload the rubric. Again, you go to your course. For example, in this week, edit that particular week. Click on custom and give the name of that week. I'm giving us final assignment semester 2 academic year 2019 and 2020. So you can restrict this one also with your group. If you go to restrict access, add restrict actions, and then you can see the group. select on the group. So if I choose any group with this, so only the students listed with group A and group will be accessed on this particular week. So I'll give any group on this. Give change, save changes. So you cannot access this until unless you belong to this group. Now I am going to add the Turnitin, the rubric which we are going to add the rubric. Just click on activity. So as usual, you know how to add the Turnitin. Just go to Turnitin assignment 2, add. Give the name. I'll give final assignment submission Turnitin. And this also you can restrict with the group also. The submission type, it should be of any submission type. You can submit any type of file. And then if you want 2 parts, so you can give the number of parts 1 or 2. You can give, as of now I'll go with only 1 part. Go to grade. Okay, and in the assignment part 1, change the date for your exam, as already we know that we have to give 48 hours. So I'll change for my exam 12 May, time is 9 and due date will be 14th. And you know the post date you have to give it. I change after 5 years, so 25. And in originality report options, so report generation speed, it is given that you have to give after 3 submission, you have to give after 3 resubmissions. These options you have to select so that the students can submit up to 3 times. Reports generate after 24 hours. And this one you can again restrict with your group only. So add restriction using the group. Choose any group, only group A and group B can access that. Save and return to the course. So you will get your Turnitin here. Just select on this. So you have the rubric and the list of students, whoever it is there, it will show. Once you click on the rubric, you will get this option. Select here. If you go down, you will have the rubric here, that is which is shared by that ETC, SSAT, RBC, V2 copy. Select on that, and then you need to duplicate it. You cannot use the same thing, so I'll create a duplicate of this rubric. if you use it, anyhow we cannot use that. We are going to take the duplicate for this rubric for our course. Duplicate this rubric. So it will ask for the name. So I'll give my course code ITSE 102 for my understanding. So I give just like that. And you can see the options here, question 1, question 2, up to some questions up to 6 or 7. If you want to add, you can go to criteria and add it. If you want to delete, you can delete it. Just I will show you how to add. You click on this, you get the criterion 7. Click on this, you can change question 7 and you need to save it. Okay, and then percentage also. So what is the percentage for each question you can give? For example, question number 1. For example, if the question number 1 is for 2 marks, give 2 marks, and if it is for this one is for 8 marks, give 8, and if this is for 10 marks, I just leave it off like that, and if this is for 10 marks and this is for 2 marks, and I give this one as 2. It's already crossed. Okay, I'll give this one as 6. You can see it is for 40%. It should come as 40 marks because all these questions you have is for 40 marks.
Is it 40%, 40%?
40%. So now what you need to do is, it's almost done. If you want to change anything here, you can change, you can edit. If you are editing this one, at the same time this also you have to edit based on this, whatever you have planned for that. So this is the general template which we have given. So it's almost done. I'll just save it. Or if you want to change as a part 1 or part 2 or part 3, or if you want to give for first part A, question number 1 to 5, if it is for 10 marks, I'll give 10 marks, and this is part B, and this is for 10 marks, and part C, and this is for 20 marks. Then if it is done, if you don't want any other row, you can delete. You will see the option. There is one small icon is the delete. That will be deleted. When you bring it down, there is a small icon. You can just press and delete. So now it is changed. Part A is question 1 to 5 and part B is question 6 to 10, like that. Whatever you want, you can make all the modifications here. After doing it, just finally you have to save it. So how to add the rubric? It's almost done. I'm just closing it. So whenever you open now, again I'm opening that, you have to select the rubric which you have created. You can see the rubric which you have created will come. It is default which it is showing. You have to select it. See, you can see that the rubric which I have created for my course ITSE 102 OS. So whatever the changes which you have done it here, it is available. Now how to upload your assignment? I'll just show you one sample thing. Create an activity, adding a file, your assignment 1, I'm just giving group 1. In group 1 or whatever the name, you can give final assignment set 1 or set 2, whatever the name it's feasible for you, so you can give it. Don't give any description, as already told that. Select the file, just uploading one sample thing. It's uploaded. Here also you have the restrict. This is very important, as already we have created restrict access. So I want to restrict this one to only group 1. So the group A or group 1, whatever the name which you have given, only those students can download that thing. It's already added, and that's all. So group A can access only those files, group B cannot access. So what I'm doing, save and return to the course. So you can see that the final assignment is here, and the Turnitin is also available. So this is how you need to create group and how to create your final assignment Turnitin. Okay, that's all.